Magandang hapon po ng December 23, 2025 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng December 23, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, December 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 23, 2025, Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, December 23, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for December 23, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.